Hello, and welcome to this training session. In this video, you'll learn how to add a product using the RFID application. To begin, navigate to the Add Product section. Here, you'll need to input specific details such as the HIT number, grade, size, and length. For demonstration purposes, I'll enter some sample data. HIT number, HTN002, grade, SAE, size 150 DA, and length 5,000. After filling in these fields, click Save. The product will then be added and will appear in the product list on the right side. Next, proceed to the Bulk Serialization section. Here, you can select a different location, choose the product you just added, and specify the quantity. This screen is used for bulk serialization, allowing you to perform single scans, multi-scans, or barcode scans. By using these options, you can add multiple items for the product. Thank you for watching this training session. We hope this guide helps you efficiently use the Add Product feature in our RFID application. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to our support team. Have a great day.